Hello guys, I'm going by the name of Huyu Tattoo Master TZ. I'm a tattoo artist from East Africa, Tanzania. Yeah, I'm doing two types of tattoo, which is temporary and permanent tattoo. For any need of my service, you can check out through my social networks like Instagram as Huyu Tattoo Master TZ and Facebook Huyu. But also you can find me through my WhatsApp number, which is +255 712 644 008. Thank you. But the important thing, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel in order to be notified in each video that will be uploaded in this channel. Not on that, but also you can like, you can share, you can comment, and so on. Thank you. See you next time. I'm done.
Mimi naitwa Usiombe bado in town. Leo niko kwa Huyu amekuja kunipiga tattoo fulani amazing, kari ya kinyama, lesson tip mami. Juni 14 2019. Naona hatari bana. Ni rahisi tu, kama ukihitaji mcheki. Sio bei kali vile. Usikimbilie Dar es Salaam hata mtara wako.
Usisahau kusubscribe, kulike, kushare na kucomment.